Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So here's another tutorial. This is something new. My wife Samsung Night luggage that's got smoosh around the corner from those airport worker when they throw around in and out of the airplane. And look at what is the dent. It's a big dent right there. So today I'm trying to attempt to take out this major dent. First of all, you need like a blow dryer, or if you have a heat gun. This one's the Remington 1850, and we're gonna heat up over here and make it all soft because this is plastic material. Once you get softened, then you're going to use a handle from like a screwdriver. I would prefer something round like this. Okay, and after it got softened, and we're going to push it out from the inside. Okay. So let's go ahead and then do that. Okay, you want to go around the corner and go around in a circular motion, okay? Then we're going to use a screwdriver to push it out from the inside out. Wow, look at that. It's better than before, so I might have to heat up. Ooh, it's hot. I'm gonna heat up some more. Okay. All I did was push against this plastic from the inside. From here to push it out. That's it. I can try to unzip it, but let me show you guys what it look like. So that's what it look like from the inside, okay? So maybe I could try to heat up from the inside and try to push it out. I'm gonna use this rounder one to push it against the edge. It's like a dent removal, you know, for the car. Well, I know it's not gonna be perfect, but I could try to hit it out some more. Well, anyway, that should be good for now. Who knows, when she come back, might have more dent I need to remove. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. I will see you guys on the next one, like always. Peace. Well, after hitting and pounding, it's kind of hard to tell right now on this side, see? And then this is the normal side. So yeah, overall pretty satisfied.